Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to calculate networking days and working days in Power BI. So now I have added the one data set in Power BI desktop, and now this is a master date. So with the help of this date, we need to calculate the number of days till now. So one of the client gave me this data set, and he asked to calculate the number of days till now with including and excluding weekends. So now we'll create the new column, and for working days with the help of date difference function. With the help of difference function, we can calculate the working days. That is, we need to take the start date and end date and interval. Start date is master date that we have, and end date is today's date. So I'm taking today's function. So today is a better function to calculate. So if we take the today function, then it will give the dynamic whenever client uses the data, whenever he is required, whenever he is required, he can get the data as of the date. So today's function is a dynamic that we can take, that is better. So for interval output, this is the type of output. Which one we want is output is we want in day or hourly wise, or you want the output in minutes, months, quarters, like that. So as we need output in day, so I need in day format only. So I'm closing that one. So I'm close the bracket. I have clicked on enter. So we'll see the output. So we got the output. So 2017 January to 2022 January. So almost 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 5 years, 6 years. So almost this one. We'll check once. Today's date and 1/1/2017. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 5 years. So 5 into 365. So 1825. One is leap year, so 1826. So it is showing correct only. So now we need to calculate the networking days. That is without Saturday and Sunday. For that, we don't have any networking days function like we have in Excel. So for that, we need to calculate manually. So I have one formula. First, we need to calculate the day. We need to create the date function. So for that, we are creating table date equal to, with the help of calendar. I'm creating date table. So start date is master date only, and end date is, as we know, today's date. So I'm closing the bracket. Now I'm creating another table, that is actually we need to create this is a formula for networking days. That is, we need to first create the variable table date, then we need to create another table, that is for add column, and that is for only for working day, that is weekdays. And after that, we need to type the return. With the help of SumX function, we need to calculate the days. So now we need to calculate the final date. Variable table final date is equal to add column, table is date, first table date, which we need to take because that is the one. Then name is working day. Then expression is if weekday. So if weekday is date, we have created that date table will automatically come because here we have created the calendar function. So automatically date table will come. So we need to take that, and if it is a greater than or equal to, sorry, then we need to take the second one. Second one starts from Monday. So it will return as, if you take the 2, then it will give the Monday as first one. So I'm closing this one. And as we are using the if function, what if it is true? If it is a true, greater than or equal to 6, because 6 and 7 are Saturday and Sunday. So we need to exclude that. So if we give the greater than or equal to 6, so 6 and above, we need outcome is result if true is 0, because that we don't want to calculate the days. Otherwise 1. Then close the bracket. And now return. So we have created the workday function. Now we need to calculate the return. Automatically it was executed, so that's why it is showing error, but I haven't completed it. In return, what we need is we need to use a sumx function. Sumx function table is I think the final table. Yes, final table date. Expression is if workday equal to, if function we need to use if workday equal to 1, then 1, otherwise 0, because as we have in here we gave only 1, right? If it is a workday equal to 1, then only show it as a 1. If it is a workday equal to 0, working day equal to 0, other show it as a 0. So it will sum only work equal to 1 function only. So how many days are there here from master date to today's date? It will add the total days, then it will give the sum. So this is how we need to calculate the working days. So now we'll see it will come or not. So it gave the output 1305 days. So now we'll cross check it with Excel. As we have working days, networking day function in Excel, we will check it with Excel. Here we have, then start date is, sorry, this one, comma, this one. Now we need to close the bracket and we need to check it. Yes, it is working 1305. So it gave the correct output only. I think this is Monday. This is Sunday. Sunday means it won't calculate Sunday. This is Monday. So that's why it is showing same number for both the days, because we haven't included the weekends. So this is how we need to calculate the networking days in Power BI. So thanks for watching. Subscribe.